Silver Gandhi concludes Padyatra from Delhi to Haryana. Brand ambassador of Swachh Bharat Mission, Silver Gandhi fame Mohan Mahapatra concluded his month-long Padyatra from Delhi to Haryana recently. The Padyatra was organized to propagate, promote and popularize Prime Minister Narendra Modi's lofty missions like Clean India, plantation of a tree in mother's name, Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam, and unfurling of tricolor in every home. The inaugural ceremony of much-talked Padyatra at New Delhi witnessed congregation of several distinguished dignitaries of National Capital Region NCR. Union Minister for Energy and Urban Affairs Manohar Lal Khattar and Minister of Urban and Housing of Haryana Government Subhas Sudha attended the concluding session of the Padyatra at Kurukshetra in Haryana as honorable guests. Both Sri Khattar and Sri Sudha extended warm greetings to Silver Gandhi and exuded confidence that Silver Gandhi's Padyatra will definitely greatly inspire the younger generations of our country to emulate the principles and philosophy of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Silver Gandhi celebrated the birthday of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Father of the Nation Mahatma Gandhi on 17th September and 2nd October respectively, and 10th year completion of Swachh Bharat Mission during his Yatra. In this earlier phase of Padyatra from Gujarat to Delhi, Chief Minister of Gujarat Bhupendra Bhai Patel inaugurated the Yatra at Gandhinagar. Wishing Silver Gandhi all the best during the inaugural ceremony, Sri Patel soured praises on him for his dedication, devotion and commitment towards a pollution-free, clean and green India. Senior BJP leader and MP of Northeast Delhi Manoj Tiwari hosted a grand reception in honor of Padyatri Silver Gandhi when he stepped in national capital during the conclusion of first phase of Padyatra. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan was the chief guest during the closing ceremony of that Padyatra at New Delhi. To mark the occasion, a function was organized at Sri Pradhan's residency. Sri Pradhan and his wife Pritula Pradhan accorded a warm felicitation to Silver Gandhi on his arrival in the presence of galaxy of prominent personalities. Addressing the gathering, Sri Pradhan lauded Silver Gandhi's noble efforts in spreading consciousness about protection of environment through his Padyatra in the nook and corner of the country. Speaking to media, Silver Gandhi observed that being greatly inspired by the life and ideals of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, his sole intention of undertaking these Padyatras are to carry PM's message to each and every citizen of India. It may be worth mentioning here that a Bollywood film entitled Silver Gandhi India, basing on the life story of Mohan Mahapatra made in 6 languages, is scheduled to be released in 500 cinema halls throughout the country on 14th November 2024 during Children's Day celebration.